Let's take a look at a linear equation in standard form. So the standard form of a linear equation says some number times x plus some number times y is equal to a constant. This is called standard form. Let's take a look at something like 2x, and let's add that to 3 times the quantity y, and we'll set that equal to 6. So as a linear equation, all we would really need to do is have 2 points. So let's make an xy chart. And let's see if we can come up with 2 points that will give us enough information to graph this equation. So let's try some substitution values, shall we? Let's see if we can't do 0 for x and see where that would put us on the y-axis. See, when x is 0, we haven't gone either right or left, right? When x is 0. So we're going to be right here on this axis. So we'll say 2 times 0 plus 3 times y is equal to 6, or 3 times y is equal to 6. So in this instance, y would be 2, because I divide both sides by 3, cancel, and I would get y is equal to 2. So from the origin, I would go left or right, 0, and go up 1, 2, and I'll put a nice little dot right there. Now remember, we only need 2 points to draw a line, and then all other points on that line will in fact satisfy our equation. So let's see what happens when we make y a 0. Well, if y were 0, then it would be 2 times x plus 3 times 0. That would be equal to 6. Well, basically that says 2x is equal to 6. And so in dividing by 2, I would see that x is equal to 3. So when y is 0, x is 3. And remember, when y is 0, I am not going up or down, and so I'm right there on that x-axis. We can call that 1, 2, 3. We can call this the x-intercept, whereas we'll call this one the y-intercept. And that's a very important distinction. But for now, just know that when y is 0, you're at the x-intercept. When x is 0, you're at the y-intercept. And so now I have 2 points to be able to connect my line. Let's see. That's the best I can do. And so this now is the line. It's the solution set. All the points along this line will satisfy 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. So this is a linear equation in standard form. This is plotting 2 points using substitution values. We specifically used the y-intercept and the x-intercept, and we graphed our line.